Eto nangyari sa Sorsogon, panoorin natin. Okay, may tawag si ref. Nag-signal siya ng offensive foul, elbow, although hindi klaro sa video ano. Tapos kinonfront siya ng isang player. Ay grabe, sinakal siya. Unacceptable. Physical assault. Regardless kung may lapses man si ref, hindi dapat ganun. Grabe. So dito nagkaroon ng statement ng SBP. After a thorough review of the video footage, it is evident that the referee committed a lapse in judgment by calling an offensive foul outside his primary coverage area. So dapat daw yata si lead ref ang tumawag nun. The video clearly shows that no offensive foul was committed by the player. Accordingly, the referee is hereby suspended from officiating in the said league pending further evaluation. So sinuspend nila yung referee. Hindi ba dehado si referee dito? So may lumabas na bagong footage regarding sa offensive foul. Ayun, so may elbow nga. Yun yung basis ni ref ng pagtawag. Nako, baka mag-press sila dito ng charge ano sa player. Baka magkaroon dito ng legal action. Mali eh.